3 simple factors to beating cocaine addiction. Learn the most effective method to find the drug rehab program you really need and want. Find out how simple it is to select the right program to get your cocaine addiction problem totally handled. 3 simple factors to beating cocaine addiction. Okay, someone you love and care about has a cocaine addiction problem. Now what? At this point, many thoughts will go through your mind. Most people actually follow a common series of thoughts, believe it or not. The first thought is denial. The addict actually goes through this several times as well. When the actions of the cocaine addict make this impossible to consider further, the next thought is that there is only a minor problem, not a drug addiction. This is where the majority of cocaine addicts fail to get the help they really need. It is the extreme exception that someone is a true casual cocaine user. There are no casual crack users, as this is clearly the most addictive drug known to man. So the answer is clearly a cocaine addiction program. But how do you choose the right one? Ultimately, you want your loved one back. You want that person free from drug addiction. You want that person to live a healthy and productive life. The answer is the right drug rehab program. But how do you find that one? The answer is actually much easier than most people think. The majority of people do look into a number of drug rehab programs before making a selection. However, no one really knows the right questions to ask. In fact, because most people really have no understanding of effective drug rehabilitation, they actually eliminate the right program very early in their search. This is unfortunate simply because all that time and money invested then becomes a waste. There are only 3 issues you need to address for any drug rehabilitation program to make sure your loved one is getting the best and you are getting not only your money's worth but your loved one off drugs for good. Number 1. What is the program success rate? This is clearly the most obvious question to ask. What few people know is that the very best programs have a better than 75% success rate and try to convince you that this is somehow the best that can be done. Obviously, these programs are a waste of time and should be avoided. All you need to know is to look for a program with a 75% success rate or better. Number 2. What is the drug detoxification method? Any drug rehab program that you would choose simply must have some sort of drug detoxification method. This is an absolute requirement if there is to be any serious chance that the addict will really get off drugs for good. The single greatest cause of relapse was drug residuals remaining in the body. This is why a drug detox program is required. All drug detox methods are not the same. There are many detox methods that are very expensive, but no better for the addict. There are several hospitals-monitored detox methods that are not only very expensive but may also put your loved one into a coma-like state for a day or more. You want a simple, risk-free drug detox program, and the best of this is the time-tested sauna-based detox method. This is not only the lowest cost method but offers nearly 0 risks to the addict. The drug rehab program that uses this approach is more concerned about getting your loved one off drugs permanently than trying to make a profit from you. Number 3. What guarantee do you offer with your program? Only the best programs will offer a rehabilitation result guarantee. Most people have never heard of this simply because so few programs actually offer it. You know that a program that will offer not only a medically safe drug detox but extensive life skills training plus a long-term follow-up program really cares about addicts. But a program that offers all this and a guarantee where the relapsing addict is retreated at no additional cost really has the best interests of your loved one in mind. This is a program that is more concerned about the full rehabilitation of your family member back into the family and society than making profits. If you simply use the above 3 questions in your rehabilitation program search, you will find the right program for your loved one, simply, easily, and quickly.